In the last 10, 11 months, I've lost about 30 kilos, which completely has gone above and beyond my expectations. From when I first started, I never thought I'd get anywhere near that 30 kilo mark. But with the support and guidance of the MPH team, I've been able to kick goals at every opportunity, whether it's new lows with body fat, new lows with my weight, and obviously building the strength as well, which has been just amazing. And I've achieved so many things that I never thought I'd get anywhere near without their support. My name is Ben and I came to MPH because I needed support and guidance with anything health and fitness related. I was in a spot in a bit of a rut where all the usual excuses in life were there, but I needed someone to really coach me and guide me through with nutrition, training, supplements, but the biggest thing was weight loss and get some tone, get some body shape back. I recommend MPH to others because I think it's a very tailored training plan suited to everyone with different goals, coming from different starting points, things like that. I think forget the fads, forget weight loss shakes, forget all these other things that are out there. Just come to people that know what they're doing, can really tailor a plan for you, and they give you the support and guidance and make it fun along the way. So I strongly recommend them.